Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious seafood boil. So for this we are going to be using 1.5 pounds of crab, and I have 12 ounces or 25 large shrimp, and I have 3 ears of fresh corn, and I have about 2 pounds of mussels that I'll be using, and I have 1 sausage. This is beef sausage. And I will also be using a lot of fresh parsley. This is right off my garden. And I will be using 3 medium-sized red potatoes and the juice of 1 lemon. And I'll be using 1 tablespoon of my Slap Your Mama seasoning and 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of this crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil in a bag. And I'll be using 1.5 teaspoons of this concentrated shrimp and crab boil. And I will be using just a pinch of red peppers and 1 stick of butter. And I will be using this bag just to put my seafood in so I don't have a lot of mess that I need to clean up. And I have a special knife that I'll be using to cut. If you guys been following me, you guys know that my knife have been giving me so much troubles. So this company called Imarku sent me this beautiful professional 8-inch chef's knife to do a review on. So I can't wait to show you guys how it performs. And you guys, like I said, know I've been having troubles with my knife, so this is a great add into my kitchen. So please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. All right guys, I'm going to start by opening that knife so you guys can see how they sent it and how it looked in the package. This knife just looked absolutely beautiful. I feel like it should be hung up and not used, but it is going to be used. This is so beautiful, guys. I really love the handle of the knife, and the packaging is just so gorgeous. And I'm going to go ahead and remove these. And I like the handle. This is so gorgeous. So we are going to see what the knife can do once I clean it up. I'm going to start by cutting my oh, this is good. You guys definitely have to be careful if you order one of these knives. This is definitely sharper than any knife that I've owned. So all I'm going to do right now is chop up my parsley. And you guys, while you are doing this, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is really nice, or really sharp knife. So I'm going to use quite a bit of parsley. This is probably pretty good. And remove as much of the stems as you possibly can. So now you want to take your parsley and basically bunch it up just like this and put it into one. Again, you want to be careful with the knife, so I'm gonna take my fingers back. When you are chopping, you definitely want to keep your fingers away from the knife. So now I'm going to just roughly chop them up. Oops. Just like this. Bring it in. Bring it in. And chop away. Oh, this is so good, guys. I'm not a professional knife user, but with this knife, you don't even have to be a professional. It is so sharp. It is so easy to use, and all you gotta do is be careful with your fingers, but it definitely performing better than any of my knives, as I said before. So now I'm going to push my parsley to the side. Very good guys. I will leave the link of where you guys can purchase this knife down in the description box. But beautiful knife. Look at that. You guys know my knife issues. So I'm going to cut my potatoes in 4. But if you are using smaller potatoes, you don't have to cut them in 4. And I'm just taking that little top pieces off wherever I have some dark colors. When I say dark things, I mean, like, you know, if your potatoes have this, you don't want to eat that, so you want to go ahead and cut it off so you don't have to eat it. And cut this one into 4. Again, check the description box where you will find the link to buy this beautiful knife. This is just so gorgeous. So thank you, Imarku, for sending me this beautiful knife. This is exactly what I needed. I know I've said this so many times, but I'm just so excited, guys. So now I'm going to place this to the side, and I'm going to take a pot and then take my bag, open my bag up, and basically place it in here just so it can be stable when I put in my seafood. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my crab. Most people like to season them before they put them in. I really don't, because once I put my seasoning, it's all gonna be mixed in once it goes in to the oven. So what I'm going to do now is put half a tablespoon of my Slap You Mama over this, and also half a tablespoon of my Old Bay. Oops, this is a little more than half, but it's okay. And a pinch of my red pepper flakes, and half a tablespoon of my crab boil. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in my shrimp. And my shrimp still have the shells in it. Just like this. I'm making all of this for me, I know. It's a lot, but it's seafood, they'll shrink down. And I'm going to put in my mussels. Just like that. A lot of you actually requested that I make this video. So thank you guys for requesting this video. And I'm going to add my sausage, which I forgot to cut, so I'm going to cut that up. Oh God, I can't get over this knife, how sharp it is. I'm making so much unnecessary noise. Alright, so I'm going to put that in there and put in my potatoes. Just put everything in there. Alright, we still have space. And now I'm going to put in my corn. The bag just makes cleaning so much easier. Like I said, I mean, sometimes I really don't have a lot of time to be cleaning. So if I can find an easier way to help me cut down the cleaning part, I will definitely do. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page and come follow me on Instagram, and also come snap with me on Snapchat. Follow my Twitter page. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. Now I'm going to put the other half tablespoon of my seasoning right on top of these, and a little bit of red pepper flakes, and my Old Bay. Like I said, if you want yours with a little more seasoning, you can definitely add more. Totally up to you. And I'm going to add my crab boil concentrated. This is 1 teaspoon. We are going to do 2 teaspoons. Just because this looks like a lot. And now I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice in there. 1 whole lemon juice. If you want more, you can definitely put more in there. Your preference. And I'm going to put the rest of my crawfish and shrimp and crab boil in a bag. And I'm going to put in my stick of butter. And now time to put in my parsley. I like a lot of parsley in mine. Just like this. Now you want to grab the bag. See? And basically shake it up a little bit. Everything will mix in together. And you want to tie that bag. Secure it very tight. If you want, you can definitely double bag. Totally up to you. And now we are going to put this in a baking, some type of baking sheet. But I'm using my foil. And then now I'm going to put it underneath the oven, 400 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes. But halfway through, I'm gonna take it out and shake it a little bit and put it back in for the other half. So an hour and 20 minutes total cook time. And if you don't have fresh corn, you can definitely use frozen corn. Totally up to you. You can definitely add any type of seafood in here. You can take the sausage out. If you don't like sausage, you can basically add whatever you want. All right, guys, it's been an hour and 20 minutes and my crab boil is done. I'm just going to take my scissors and cut my bag open. It's very hot. As you can see, all the steam coming out, but it looks so good. Look at this. And I'm going to poke in one of the potatoes so that you guys can see that it is cooked. As you can see, the fork went all the way through and my corn is done. Oh, it smells so good. I want to try something, but it's so hot. This was easy. You can definitely do this on an easy school night since school is back in session. And please guys, please give this video a big thumbs up if you watched and enjoyed it. I'm just going to taste a little bit of the corn because everything is so hot. Oh, I want a shrimp. This is an easy meal to make around the holidays. If you have a lot of company, you can do a couple bags of this. You can add some lobster to this if you want. You can add any type of seafood to this and it will taste just so delicious. Oh, I want to try a piece. So good and easy. But this will do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And don't forget, I will leave the link to that beautiful knife down in the description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.